Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. We have reached 500 subscribers. I can't believe it. Yes, 500. The black boy reached 500. No, I'm making this video on my normal camera, not the phone camera or anything like that. My cousin get a computer and it's an iMac, one of the later versions, and I tried to upload the video from there. I don't have any editing software or anything like that, so no intro, nothing like that. But you know guys, I'm still alive, still looking good and sexy for the ladies. But I just want to say thank you very much to all the supporters, all my gingerbread and jelly bean. I really appreciate you guys. I'm still here, I'm still going to make videos. I have a lot of things to talk about, a lot of topic. Especially where it concerns Jamaica and the whole Chinese invasion, as they call it. I'm going to give my take on that. I also want to talk about the World Championship, what is going on in England right now. So stuff like that. So I'm going to see if I can put out like a batch video or a few videos. I'm just going to try and upload them all this week. So I'm just just coming off of a flu. I had the flu, the cold. So, a lot of stuff been going on, but I'm still here. But I just want to make this video to say thank you very much for supporting me, even though I'm not here like for a month and odd now. I've been really posting any video. You guys have been watching the videos, leaving feedback and stuff like that. So the videos that I made 6 months ago, they're getting views and stuff like that. So I really appreciate that. People like the content and they like the substance in those videos. So I guess that is what is driving the channel and driving you guys to continue to support me, because of the content. It is substance. There's substance in it. You can learn from it. So I just want to say thanks again. Thanks a million times. 500 plus subscribers. That's amazing, guys. So I just want to say stay tuned. I have a lot more video I'm going to push out. I'm going to try this without intro and ending and stuff like that. I don't have anything, but I'm just going to put out, there's no excuse. So I'm just going to put it out like how the computer is here now, instead of using the phone and the quality is bad. And you guys don't really like the bad quality. So, just go and bear with me. Just bear with the black boy, because him there same way, and I just want to show my appreciation. So thanks so much in JVLOGS. I really appreciate you guys. Remember to subscribe and share for more. The journey continues. Ding 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 ding. Hey, can't dance the same life, Oh God.